In parallel, on the other end of the tank, the Queen's first workers had emerged. They needed food, so they made their way to the surface where the hunt would begin. This beetle is the perfect meal, and they must work as a team. They are rushing to get it back to the nest, and with good reason. The sky was beginning to darken, and the temperature had dropped. I was about to simulate a sandstorm. The storm had coated the tank in a thin red sand, but in the ravine, it uncovered something remarkable. Dormant fish eggs. All they needed was a little water.